Hi viewers, welcome to the Grammar Channel. In the series of pronouns, we have been learning interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, personal pronoun and so on. Today's lesson is all about intensive pronoun. Shall we move into the video? Intensive pronouns are a type of pronoun that will further emphasize or intensify nouns and pronouns. I repeat, intensive pronouns are a type of pronoun that will further emphasize or intensify the nouns and pronouns. So, a more emphatic way to write the sentence, that is intensive pronoun. Let me give you some example. When Anu saw the boy, I thought she herself was going to take him home. When Anu saw the boy, I thought she herself, she, pronoun herself. The intensive pronoun follows the noun or pronoun immediately. Same way, we find these pronouns immediately after the noun. They are intensifying, but not all the time. So, let me give you another example. I myself don't forgive you. He himself built that house. She herself can bake the cake. All these are intensifying a sentence. So there are varieties. There are kinds of intensive pronouns like how we saw, what all the kinds we saw in reflexive pronoun like herself, himself, itself, myself, ourselves, themselves, yourself, yourselves. All these are intensifying pronouns. But then you will often see these intensive pronouns stacked against reflexive pronoun. The two are closely related to each other. So they both end in self or self words like intensive pronouns. Reflexive pronoun also end with self or selves words. So how do we find the difference? Why are these two separate labeled? Why are these labeled two different kinds of pronouns? So if you can make out the difference in these sentences that I'm going to tell you, you will understand better. I told myself not to spend much money. You're going to drive yourself to work today, intensifying the noun or pronoun. We gave ourselves plenty of extra time. They bought themselves a new tiny house. These are all intensifying, which are followed immediately after noun or pronoun. So I recall the definition. Intensive pronouns are used to add emphasis to the statements. So in the following example, you will find it better. Like Maria knew that she herself could make the project. She doesn't need help. She herself can finish the project. You yourself can easily transform your body. All it takes is a proper diet. Like this. The team knew that they themselves were responsible for playing their best. Next one. We ourselves are the ones who make the greatest impact upon the world. So these are the self or selves words, that is intensive pronouns that immediately follow noun or pronoun to make the sentence intense or emphasize the idea. So today's lesson all about intensive pronoun. I'm sure you all understood the explanation. I'll meet you with the preposition video soon.